Oh my god. They actually stole it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous videos, I showed you guys that I crashed my car whilst going to work, but rather than going through my insurance, I decided to rebuild it myself. In the previous video, I replaced the whole front slam panel because it was all snapped in half, and that meant removing all of those shroudy pieces off the front. In this video, I plan on putting those all back and addressing some elephants in the room because I have been the victim of theft. More on that later, but now, let's crack on. Unfortunately, the battery has completely perished, which means I have to unlock the car manually. Oh, get in! Good. So yeah, these shroudy pieces at the front are what I'm planning on putting on today. It should be fairly straightforward. I remember taking them off was fairly straightforward. Putting them on the front here. But it is a new slant panel piece, so maybe it's slightly different. Who knows? Right. So yeah, guys, I'm just putting the two corner pieces in first, which is pretty straightforward. They just clip in. Ah. Oh, that's good work. They're in. After you put those two corner pieces in, we can now focus on the main centerpiece. You just screw it in with 3 bolts at the top and with the electrical connector. Should be 3. Well, I've only got 2. Ugh, easier said than done. Just the right way? Yeah. One in's a good start. This one seems a little stiff. I think it's still going in though. It's not perfect. It's far from perfect, to be honest with you. them perfectly. Yeah, perfect. As you can see, guys, the shrouds are all in, nice and strong. They're not going to fall out. Got these things in the corner piece. I've no idea what you call them. I've no idea if they actually are officially called shrouds. Even they're just plastic pieces to me. What's this? Oh, okay. No, that's just the equivalent of that. Okay, fair enough. But yeah, no, that's really good work. I think I'm going to put the headlight in now, just to sort of complete as far as we can go. Right, see if I can remember where this went. I think it was like this. Ah, ah. Which way does it go in? Okay, that's not too bad. Oh yeah, good work. And there you are, guys, lined up to the bonnet really well. There's no real bonnet gaps, but yeah, that's really good. And that's as complete as we can get it for now. That was a good job, well done. I know that was kind of small progress, but we are definitely inching our way there to a fully complete epic Volvo. Remember in the previous video, I said that I was going to modify this car, so that's going to be like the best version of it ever made. Now, with that said, let's address the elephant in the room, the crocodile in the Nile, the xenomorph and the Nostromo. And that is, of course, the theft of my car parts. Now, for people which didn't see my first video, basically, when I did the crash, the rear bumper was hanging off due to the terrain because I basically crashed into a lot of mud. There's a slight hill, and the slight hill ripped the rear bumper off. Partly, anyway, it was still on one side. So that was the last time I saw it. The rear bumper was in the cabin when they delivered the car. But I'll give you a minute to see what's missing. Feel free to pause the video. No, nothing? Well, I'll give you a little clue. Now, this here is the rear bumper. And can you have a guess what's missing? It's quite obvious. No? It's the rear wiring loom. I want to know what happened to this wiring loom. So I better call on the best inspector ever. Mystery Inc. No. Daniel Turlington. No. Eric Matthews. No. Fox Mulder? No. Seymour Simmons. Of course not. Oh, Endeavour Morse. Absolutely not. Who then? It's Hercule Poirot. The David Suchet version. I wasn't really a big fan of Kenneth Branagh. Now, the good news, guys, is that I've looked on eBay for a second-hand one, and it's only around £35. Now, you guys are probably thinking, why would anybody steal something that's only worth £35? But do the maths. If you go to 10 breakdowns and you take one piece, which is £35, because again, who's going to notice, right? You're going to get like at least like 350 quid in your pocket. It is also worth noting, I did actually email the recovery team that recovered my car from the accident to see if they had it lying around, and they, well, didn't come back to me for some reason. Suspicious. So there you are, guys. That's the end of the video. We are very slowly but surely inching our way there to the fully rebuilt, complete, ultimate Volvo in the history of Volvos. I sure hope you guys are enjoying watching this video as much as I am making it. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.